Dear friends in the Dhamma, we live in a world that moves fast, loud, restless, constantly pulling us in every direction. Over time, many have come to accept anxiety as something normal, something to carry, something to cope with, something to fight. But I invite you to consider something far deeper. Anxiety is not who you are. Peace is. Peace is your original home, and the path that leads you back to that home, Sati, mindfulness, not as an abstract idea or religious obligation, but as a lived moment-to-moment presence, the kind of awareness that brings you fully here, fully alive, fully free. The root of anxiety. Anxiety is never born in the present moment. It is a child of the future. It feeds on what if. It grows on what might happen. But here's the truth. The future does not exist. As I speak to you now, all that truly exists is this breath, this silence, this awareness watching it all come and go. And here's something extraordinary. Anxiety cannot survive in the light of presence. It fades like morning mist under the sun. Try it. Not once, not occasionally, but every single day, with dedication, with sincerity, with your whole heart. Do this daily. Sit with the breath. Let me offer you this practice like a father handing his child a priceless gem. Sit, be still, bring your attention home to the breath. Feel the in-breath, feel the out-breath. Don't force it, don't judge it. Just watch, just be. Even 5 minutes a day is enough to begin, but do it wholeheartedly. Do it as though your life depends on it, because in many ways it does. Your peace, your clarity, your freedom do not come from your achievements or your possessions. They come from one thing, a mind that knows how to rest in the present. The supernatural power of mindfulness. People chase miracles, visions, powers, signs from above. But I tell you, a mind free from anxiety is the true miracle. A heart unshaken by uncertainty is a force more powerful than thunder. When you are mindful, you are no longer ordinary. You don't need to levitate to touch the sky. You don't need to walk on water to move through this life with grace. In a world asleep in worry, you are awake. What is true security? We try to build security through money, relationships, reputation, alarms, and plans. But true security is this: a mind that knows whatever comes, it will pass. A mind that neither clings to joy nor recoils from sorrow. A heart that gently whispers, "This too is not me, not mine, not who I am." This is the truth of Anicca, impermanence. Everything shifts, everything changes. So why cling? Why fear? Rivers flow, clouds drift, thoughts come and go. Fears rise and fade like wind through trees. And you are not the fear. You are the space in which fear appears and disappears. You are the sky, not the storm. A mantra for moments of fear. When fear arises, meet it gently. Say this to yourself: this moment is enough. This breath is safe. I am the watcher, not the worry. Repeat it until your heart settles. Repeat it until the storm calms. Repeat it until stillness returns. The constant guest, anxiety, is a guest that arrives unannounced and overstays its welcome. It settles in the corners of our lives, whispering doubts, amplifying uncertainties, painting worst-case scenarios on the walls of our minds. The invitation is always there, to not give it a second glance, to let it stew in its own juices, undisturbed, unentertained. Friends, I speak to you from experience. Years I walked this earth wrapped in anxiety's embrace, believing it was my very essence. It was only when I turned, when I paused, when I breathed, that I found the truth in these words. Peace is your home. Peace is not a distant land, a mythical oasis. Peace is your home. It's where you began, and it's where you'll always be. All of us, each one of us, started our lives at peace. We were not born anxious. Anxiety is a layer we picked up along the way, a garment that can be removed. You are that which knows peace. You are that which already has everything. The peace you seek is not out there to be grasped. It's within to be remembered. It's as close as the air you breathe, as familiar as the sound of your own voice. Your breath, your anchor. I invite you to observe your breath, not to control it, not to change it, but to simply be aware of it. Notice the natural rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the subtle expansion of your belly. Don't follow the breath. Don't chase it. Just rest in the awareness of it. Your breath is not an object to be manipulated. It's a homecoming to be embraced. Each inhale is a return to the source. Each exhale a release into the vastness of being. When your breath becomes your anchor, you discover a depth of peace that's always been yours to claim. Sati, the transforming power. Sati is more than a word. It's a way of life. It's a revolution, a rebellion against the background noise of existence. It's a turning inward when the world demands you look outward. It's a whisper of sanity in a world gone loud. Sati is the antidote to anxiety, the cure for restlessness. When you are sati, you are rooted in the reality of this moment. You are grounded in the certainty of your own being. Anxiety cannot survive in the soil of sati. It withers in the light of your awareness. Who are you? Close your eyes and turn inward. Ask yourself, who am I? Not the roles you play, not the labels society has put on you, but the essence of your being. Are you your job? Are you your relationship status? Are you the clothes you wear or the car you drive? Or are you so much more than what the world sees? You are a miracle. You are a masterpiece, a work of art that the universe has been crafting for eternity. You are a symphony waiting to be played, a melody yearning to be sung. You are not defined by your mistakes, your past, or your fears. You are boundless, limitless, eternal. The choice to live mindfully. Every moment is a choice. Every breath is an opportunity to live mindfully. Choose to be present in each moment, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem. Find joy in the ordinary, magic in the mundane. When you wake up, smile at the sun, dance with the birds as they greet the day. Breathe in the fresh air, feel the earth beneath your feet. Engage fully in each activity, whether it's washing the dishes, walking in the park, or engaging in deep conversation. Invest your presence, your energy, your love into every moment. Beyond happiness, true freedom. True happiness is not a constant state. It's a visitor that comes and goes. But true freedom is a way of life. True freedom is the ability to be at peace regardless of external circumstances. It's the power to choose how you respond to the ups and downs of life. Cultivate inner freedom through meditation, through connecting with your breath, through surrendering to the present moment. When you are truly free, you are unshackled from the chains of anxiety, fear, and worry. You are liberated to be yourself, authentically, unapologetically you. Nurturing your inner garden. Within each one of us lies an inner garden, rich, fertile, and capable of bearing the most exquisite fruits. Anxiety and fear often act as weeds, choking the flowers of joy and tranquility. Nurture your inner garden through daily practices, through moments of solitude, through acts of kindness and compassion. Water your garden with the waters of mindfulness and watch it flourish. Embracing impermanence. Nothing in life is permanent, not even suffering. Just as clouds drift across the sky, so too will your troubles pass. The sun will shine again after every rain. Hope, renew, trust in the cycles of life. Remember that impermanence is the law of the universe, and within that law lies your freedom. The power of gratitude. Amidst life's chaos, gratitude is your guiding star. Be grateful for the air you breathe, for the love you share, for the lessons you've learned, and for the strength you've gained along the way. Gratitude transforms challenges into opportunities, setbacks into stepping stones. When you are grateful, you cannot be anxious. For anxiety and gratitude are two paths that diverge in the human heart. Choose gratitude. Contemplating life and death. Regularly contemplate your own mortality. Reflect on the preciousness of life and the brevity of time. This is not a morbid exercise, but a path to awakening. When you confront your mortality, you awaken to life. You realize that every moment is a gift. Every breath is a treasure. And with this realization comes a profound shift in perspective.